Branches was a glowing seed radiating with an ethereal light. Luna reached out and gently picked up the seed, her heart pounding with anticipation. With the magical seed in their possession, Luna and Sparky hurried back to the enchanted garden. They found Elderwood waiting for them, his eyes twinkling with hope. Luna carefully planted the seed at the base of Elderwood's trunk, her hands trembling with excitement. Sparky watched on, his tail wagging in anticipation. As Luna planted the seed, the garden began to quiver. The ground shook, the trees swayed, and the air filled with a shimmering light. Suddenly, a burst of energy erupted from the seed, enveloping the entire garden in a radiant glow. The wilting flowers sprang back to life, their colors more vibrant than ever. The parched streams gushed with crystal-clear water, and the air filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. With a sigh of relief, Luna and Sparky watched as the enchanted garden returned to its former glory. Elderwood, too, seemed to regain his strength. His bark became smoother, his leaves greener, and his presence more powerful. "Thank you, Luna and Sparky. You have saved the enchanted garden and restored balance to this land," Elderwood said, his voice ringing through the garden. As Luna and Sparky left the garden that day, they felt a sense of pride and accomplishment. They had faced challenges and overcame them, proving that even the smallest among us could make a big difference. From that day forward, Luna and Sparky visited the enchanted garden every day, their bond with Elderwood and the garden growing stronger with each visit. They continued their adventures, their hearts full of joy and their spirits wild with curiosity. And so the enchanted garden thrived, a testament to the bravery and determination of two best friends. And as the sun set on the enchanted garden, Luna and Sparky returned home, their hearts filled with memories of their grand adventure. They knew that they would always be welcome back to the garden, a magical place where friendship bloomed and dreams came to life. And that, dear listeners, is the tale of Luna and Sparky's adventure in the enchanted garden. A tale of friendship, courage, and the magic that lies within us all. So remember, no matter how big or small, every adventure counts. Good night.